Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
WeMod asks custom installation. So here I'll be teaching you how to add custom installation at your WeMod. Let's say your WeMod is right here and your WeMod is not detecting the game that you want. For example, here Fallout Shelter, but here it detected it, so we can click on play. So on our on our Fallout Shelter game right here, because it detects it, so we can click on play. But what if it didn't detect it? So we need to add the game exe. To define the game exe, if you're using Steam right here, just open up your Steam and then right click on the game that you want, and then click on right here, browse local files. Then here you will see the Fallout Shelter, as you can see right there. So here is it right here. Now all we need to do is just drag it and put it right there. So let's gonna put it right over there. Now once we click on it, as you can see, added. So as you can see, custom game.exe, there we go. As you can see, it's now right there. Now let's say you want to use let's say you don't want to use this anymore and you've seen another, like when you click on Xbox right here, it's a different kind of what they call this, it's a different kind of cheats and hacks for the game. So what they do, so you can do is click right here and click on add game manually. After that, do the same process. Steam, open, then manager, then browse local files, then drag it right here, then add it right there. And then as you can see, you can now use the Xbox Fallout Shelter what they call this like cheats right here. So you see unlimited health, you can now use them. And a quick tip for you guys, when you're gonna use them, as you can see right now, when I press it, it won't work because we need to buy the um we need to buy what they call this we need to buy the premium account right here, GoPro, so we can able to press on them. But there you go. A quick tip for you guys: just use the hotkeys right here. Just use the hotkeys right there, so it will work. But for now, I can't able to click this because we're not yet playing. But yeah, there you go, guys. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And if you have any more questions, just answer it. I type it, and they will answer it as quick as possible. There you go, guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.